Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Euclid puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latušek and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10, and the object is to fit all 7 parts inside the frame in such a way that they all will be below right and left lip of the frame. So when the puzzle is solved, it comes like this. This is not the solution, since these 2 parts are sticking out, and none of the parts supposed to be sticking out from the frame. This puzzle has several solutions, and I will show you in this video only one solution, which was designed by Dr. Volker Latušek, and this solution is one of the most difficult to find. And if you want to find all other solutions, you can do it by yourself. If you like Euclid puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. So first I have to remove all the parts from the frame, and then I will show you how to put them back in a correct way. So here is all the parts. If you take a closer look, you will find that 2 parts are exactly the same and all other parts are completely different. So we will start with this part. This is the biggest part. It is tall as many other parts, but it is much bigger than all other parts. So we have to grab this part and put it inside the puzzle, inside the frame like this, on the right side. Next part, what you have to take is gonna be this one. That is one of the parts that was on top when the puzzle was solved, like this. So grab the bigger part and put it right here on the left side. So next, what you have to take is the smallest part that we have in this puzzle and put it like this inside the frame and to the left. So next, grab one of these 2 parts that are exactly the same. You have to take one, put it inside like this, since you can't put it inside this way, only this way. Now you have to rotate this part inside like this, tilt puzzle to the right, and make this part appear on the right here. So you have to tilt the frame and rotate this part in such a way that it will be on top here. Next, what you have to do is take the second part that is exactly the same, put it inside and to the right. So the next step is very important. You have to put this frame like this so that all the parts will fall down, and you will find that you can move this part on top of this part like this, and that's it. You see that we have some spot left inside. So first you will take, there are only 2 parts left, grab the smallest part, put it inside and to the right. It's gonna fall down into the empty space, and now you can fit this bigger part. If you put it like this, it's not gonna fit. If you put it like this, it's not gonna fit. So you have to put it like this, a little bit to the left, and then the puzzle is solved. As you can see, all the parts are below both lips of the frame, and the puzzle is solved. That was one of the most difficult solutions of Euclid puzzle. If you like this solution, you may try to find some other solutions. I've been able to find another solution that was much easier, but it took me a lot of time to find it. If you like Euclid puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Dr. Volker Latušek, for example, Casino puzzle is one of the most popular puzzles made by Dr. Volker Latusek or Tower of London. Both puzzles are amazing. Go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!